Hey guys, I'm Mackenzie, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did this Cheryl Blossom transformation using a wig I already had and clothes from mine in my roommate's closet. What is this? So I'm going to start by making my skin a little bit lighter using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And I'm just going to dab it in the areas that I want lighter. So cheeks, nose, chin, forehead. I guess I'll start shading in my cheekbones with just a contour powder palette situation. So I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit because her nose is kind of more the same size all the way down. So I'm just gonna contour the sides here. I'll take this highlighter in just this white color, go down my nose. Now that I have my face mostly contoured, I'll go back in later for some spot changes. I'm gonna do my eyebrows using this Benefit brow setter thing. It's just clear. Hers are a little bit thinner and arched. When I fill them in, since my eyebrows are obviously really dark, I'm gonna be using a reddish eyeshadow from this palette. I'm gonna be using this one. Eyebrows are kind of done. Kind of a combo of these three blushes down here. She wears her blush just right up here. For her eyeshadow, I'm gonna stick with kind of a peachy vibe. I'm gonna use this, which I used for my eyebrows, but just be so light about it. And just do kind of all around my eye. So to kind of stick with the pink peachy colors we've been using for the eyeshadow look, I'm gonna do a little of this pink. I'm not sure how it's gonna work. This might ruin it, but I'm just gonna do it kind of on my crease and on the outer edge of my eye. This kind of has like Valentine's Day energy. Now I'm going back to highlight the outer underbrow area with just this light to accentuate, and over half of my eyelid. So I never do planning when I do these videos, and sometimes it backfires. I was literally sitting on my couch this morning watching Riverdale, and I was like, let me do a Cheryl tutorial. So I think Madeline wears fake lashes when she plays Cheryl, but I'm so bad at putting them on, so I'm just gonna make my current eyelashes work. And I'm gonna do a little bit of a liner with eyeshadow, just to kind of make them pop since I don't have the fake lash look happening. Oh, here we go. Start in the corner. Just using this, I don't know what it's called, but it's from Buxom. That's fine. Okay, now I'm done. Just gonna wait for them to dry. Okay, so now we have the face makeup mostly done. All that's left are the iconic red lips. I'm using a lip pencil I got at CVS. It's red. And then this Too Faced Melted Matte red lip gloss stick over top. So her lips are kind of more uniform in shape. Bottom lip's probably okay, but I'm gonna make this one wider to the edge. I'm so stressed. It's the final step. Final step after makeup is the wig, and then I just have to change into a more Cheryl-y outfit. So here's my wig. It looks very orange, so there's nothing I can do about that because this was an impulse. So, where's the part? Alright, so you know the drill. To hold it down, I'm using the Got To Be Glued spray, spraying it on my forehead, right along the outside, getting it in my eye in the process, and then sticking the wig lace down and holding until it dries. Now that my wig is somewhat secure to my head, I'm gonna just brush out the front carefully. For my finishing touch, I'm gonna lighten up the part so it looks like it's a real part. Okay, so here's the fit. Would be Serpent's logo there. This is just a closet cosplay. Nice little look. Okay, so this is the final look. I got my fake Cheryl Serpent's jacket on. And looks pretty good. I'll probably follow up this video with a second one where I tone this wig down to be more of Madeleine Petsch's color. It's a little bit vibrant for my liking, and then maybe I could use it for a Scarlet Witch cosplay or something else. That about wraps it up. So thanks so much for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosplay content. I have a lot of exciting things planned for this year, so stay tuned. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.